So for today's lesson, we're going to listen to a story by Philip Warner, and it's all about heat exhaustion, which is something to pay attention to when you're hiking, to be able to identify the signs that you're getting too hot and how your body's responding and how it can affect you. So, a close call with heat exhaustion. I didn't put two and two together when I was experiencing the symptoms of heat exhaustion during a high exertion hike last week, but after a friend pointed it out to me, I realized that I'd had a close call. While I'd taken precautions against the sunlight and heat, such as drinking plenty of water, monitoring my urine color, eating salty foods, wearing a hat, and loose-fitting, well-ventilated, and lightly colored clothing, the location I'd been hiking in had put me at high risk. For example, I'd hiked 8 miles of blacktop and a cinder-covered trail during the middle of a hot, sunny, and humid day, followed by a 3,000-foot climb up a steep mountain with a 30-pound backpack. The following day, I hiked another very strenuous 6 miles above tree line in full sunlight, where I could feel the heat reflecting off the boulder fields I had to traverse. I've hiked the same and similar routes previously with no ill effects, so I really didn't think I was at risk. I was drinking plenty of water, eating salty food during the day, and felt that I was staying ahead of the salt depletion and dehydration curve. Still, I had experienced a few symptoms that I should have paid more attention to, such as gagging on food during meals, loss of appetite, and mild stomach cramping. At the time, I wrote these off to a case of nerves because I was hiking over a highly exposed section of trail where I'd had a close call the previous summer in a thunderstorm, with lightning and hail. It never crossed my mind that I was suffering from a heat-related illness.